Happy birthday, Auntie. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Hello, Auntie. This is Melissa. Happy 5th birthday. Wishing you more blessings and healthy years to come. And again, thank you for taking care of me during my college days. And we're so lucky and blessed for having you because you take care of everybody. We love you. Mwah. Hi, Auntie. This is Melissa. Happy 80th birthday. And wishing you more blessings and healthy years to come. And again, I thank you for taking care of me during my college days. And we're so lucky and blessed for having you because you take care of everybody. We love you. Bye.
Auntie, happy 80th birthday. Yeah. Okay lang naman po kami rito at si Alona pumasok. Trabaho. Yeah. Ako nasa bahay lang. Yeah. Wish you all more birthdays to come, Auntie. Sana umabot kayo ng 100 para para maabutan nyo pa ako. Yeah. Well, anyway, ako nasa bahay lang. Naghihintay ng dating ni Alona. Maya-maya pa darating yun, mga 4:30. Salamat sa inyo at nandiyan pa kayo. Yeah, just want to wish you all the best, Auntie. More birthdays to come. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, game. Hello. Ante, happy 80th birthday. More blessing to come, more birthdays to come, and good health. Iingat ka lagi dyan. Pasensya na kung hindi ako nung nakasama dahil alam mo naman, busy tayo. Baka hanapin tayo ni congressman tsaka ni mayor. Kaya enjoy lang kayo dyan. Then yun lang. God bless you. Happy birthday. Happy 80th birthday. I love you. Masalam.
Happy birthday, Auntie Ansing. Sana happy kayo sa munting sorpresa namin sa'yo sa inyong birthday. You know that all of us love you so much, and I thank God for giving us such a wonderful auntie and the coolest lola ever in the world. Thank you for your kindness and generosity. Ikaw ang takbuhan namin mga pamangkin mo noong kami ay nangangailangan. Thank you for giving us guidance and wisdom since we are young. I pray to God that you have good health and long life para makapiling ka pa namin sa mga gatherings and occasions, happenings ng mga Isidoro clan. I miss you so much, and again, happy birthday. I love you.
Hi Lola Ansing, happy 80th birthday. I wish you all the best in life and good health every day, of course. And I will see you soon. Love you, miss you.
Ang aking panalangin ay naway mabigyan ka pa ng mas mahabang buhay, magandang pangangatawan at set of mind and fair nang sa ganon iyong masundan, magabayan ang iyong mga makabagong henerasyon ng tawag ay Generation Z. Sa muli ang aking pagbati ng ligayang araw. May God spare His blessings to you, most of all. And to the whole family, Isidoro family, clan. God bless po, ate. Take care always. God bye. Bye. Happy 80th birthday, Lola Sing. We love you and miss you. See you soon.
To my beloved auntie, happy 80th birthday. Wish you all happiness, good health in life, and I will see you soon. Take care always, and this is your happy day. Love you, auntie.
Happy birthday, Lola Ansing!
Happy birthday, ante! Wishing you good health po, and sana po enjoy nyo yung birthday party nyo ngayon.
See you soon! Happy birthday!
Oh, nagulat kayo, no? Kala nyo si Dingdong, ano? Hindi, si Romy lang ito. But anyway, nandito po ako para batiin ang pinaka-importante tao sa araw nito. Walang iba kundi ang ating pinakamabait, pinaka-sexing tao sa balat ng Pitao, ang ating Auntie Ansing. Happy birthday po. Sana ay makasama pa namin kayo na kahit mga 100 years pa po. Pwede na po yan. Happy birthday, I love you. Bye bye.